Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a presentation on sustainable development. First, clearly define what sustainable development means to your specific audience. Remember to highlight its three core pillars: environmental, social, and economic. Researching relevant global goals or local initiatives will provide a strong foundation for your content. This initial step ensures everyone understands the fundamental concepts. Next, structure your presentation with a clear, logical flow, moving from an engaging introduction to a powerful conclusion. Dedicate specific sections to each of the three sustainability pillars, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Incorporating real-world examples and compelling case studies will make your points more relatable and impactful for your audience. Now, focus on designing for visual impact. Use clear, concise text and high-quality visuals to keep your audience engaged. Incorporate data visualizations, such as charts and graphs, to present complex information effectively. Always maintain a consistent and professional design aesthetic throughout your entire presentation for a polished look. Finally, prepare for delivering your message. Practice your presentation thoroughly to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. Engage your audience with thoughtful questions and interactive elements to foster participation. Conclude your presentation with a strong call to action or memorable key takeaways, leaving a lasting impression on everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.